So my favorite thing right now is the Thalía Motives Viva palette. These are all my colors. I love neutrals, bronzes, gold.
Yes! The Thalía and Motives Viva palette.
Hi, my loves. Wait a second. You know you can't go into all that glam without getting your skin right. You know that the most crucial part is lathering it up. And then go in.
Oh my God, Amber, you're so right. There's no makeup without amazing skin and skincare. I can't wait to see all the new products that Lumiere is dropping and all the new tricks you have up your sleeve. So make sure your skin is right before you do your makeup. You're right.
All right, I love you so much. I gotta roll.
Gotta hit this Lumi stick, and I'm out. But I love you. I miss you. See you soon.
It's all about the skin, so just refresh that beautiful skin that you have.
I want to play around with the eyes a little bit. I already have blush on my eyes, and I think I want to do frisky like in the corners here just to give it like a little pop. My mom has always taught me that less is more when it comes to makeup. Like, you don't have to do too much. A little bit goes a really long way, and I've been following that my whole life. Less is definitely more. You can do a lot with a little bit.
I'll add a little contour, a little dimension here. Well, my beauty routine is eating super healthy, drinking tons of water, having a routine for my face, remove the makeup no matter what time is it or how bad that party was the night before. So I kind of miss, before the pandemic hit, just interacting with people. I'm such a people person. I'm such a hugger. I'm so affectionate. I miss being able to do those things and just be around the people I love and touch and hug and kiss and do all the things that, you know, you do when you care and you love someone. Is it gonna go back to normal? The point in here is to enjoy life, to have fun, to try to see the bright side of life, even though it's been challenging. Yes, we all are going through this, and we are all going through this together, huh? Okay, now we're gonna add a little powder, okay? Tap it in your hand so it's not too overwhelming and your skin looks fresh and young at all times. So this is really easy for me. If I could wear one lip color for the rest of my life, it would be Dreamer Motives by Lala, and it's just clear. I am a clear gloss girl because less is more. So you can have like minimal makeup, put some Dreamer on your lips, make it look extra juicy and kissable. I can wear this color, clear Dreamer, for the rest of my life. My secret crush is Thor. Thor, yummy. Who is with me on that one? Who is with me on that one? This 10 years younger setting spray, it absolutely changes the game. It keeps your makeup on all day. It smells good, it sets everything. So like 5 hours from now, you still look the same. All right, what's one moment in my life I want to relive? Definitely having my son Cayenne. Not the pain of childbirth, but just the experience of bringing life into this world is so amazing and such a blessing. I would do that again 100 times if I could. Are you still wearing makeup even though we have to wear a mask? Of course! Of course, now more than ever. Why? Because it's all about the eyes. The mask is only here. You still got the eyes, and it's all about the eyes. This palette gives you all the amazing colors that you need. I use them on my eyes today. Eyes are important. You can be flirty. You can guide with your eyes. So you do want to wear makeup. I think that when you put makeup on, you feel better about yourself. Your spirit feels better. You feel more confident. So I think it's a confidence booster. So yes, I am still wearing makeup, and it is all about the eyes. Now, because I'm going to change this youthful, colorful t-shirt, and I'm going to go a little more glam, I'm going to change my lips to this gorgeous red velvet, Thalía and Motives. Don't forget, guys, we have it all.